I'm now going to construct parallel lines. This is merely a variation of constructing a congruent angle. Let's say I want to construct a line parallel to this line here, which I will call L. To do that, I'm going to take another line and intercept it along here. And I'll put arrows on both ends. But if we look from here out, from this endpoint out here, we have created a ray, and from this endpoint out here, we have created another ray. So we have an angle here. If I was to create another angle identical to that along this ray, this line and that new line that I'm going to create will be parallel. So I arbitrarily just pick another point out here on this ray, let's say there, and now I'm going to begin to construct basically two congruent angles. So I'm going to begin by taking the compass and at a medium setting, and I'm going to put the point at the vertex of that angle, and then I'm going to draw an arc. Now, using the identical compass setting, I'm going to go out to that point where I arbitrarily picked there, and I'm going to draw another arc. So this procedure is basically the same as doing congruent angles. Now, I'm going to carefully measure from here, where that arc intersects the line, to where the arc intersects the other line that we want to create a parallel line to. So I carefully get that distance, and now I'm going to go back over to the other arc I've prepared, look at where that arc intersects the line, put my point of the compass right there, and now draw another arc. So I'm drawing another arc which intersects that first one, and now I'm going to take my straight edge and draw a line from this point, which will become the vertex of this new angle, to this point where the two arcs intersect. So I'm carefully doing that. Since this is supposed to be a parallel line, I'm going to draw arrows on both ends. And now I'll call that line M just to give it a label. And therefore, line L is now parallel to line M, and therefore using only the map, or only the straight edge and compass, I have created two parallel lines.